There's an Oklahoma boating event happening a mile down the street. This is our 226 Cayman from Robalo. Look at that helm, what a great helm. Tons of space, tons of storage, lots of room for your fishing rods. We just finished our Oklahoma Boating Expo and we were wanting to continue that momentum. Events like this cost thousands of dollars and we're gonna pass all those savings on to you, the consumer. A mile down the street, we're at 21st and Sheridan, free parking. We're gonna be open later hours. We've got more than 40 boats on hand on our showroom. We've got more than 200 boats in total inventory. We've got brands like Vexus, Camus, Robalo, Chaparral, Bennington Tri-Tunes, and Mastercraft. We've got some great inventory. We've got some great factory rebates in excess of more than $100,000. We've got some great low rate financing on some of our closeout 2024 models. You are not gonna wanna miss this opportunity. This is gonna be the best opportunity to find a boat if you're looking for something in 2025. Stop in at 21st and Sheridan. We might be able to save you some time. We will definitely save you some money. This is our 226 Cayman from Robalo. This is a 22-foot center console, deep water fishing runabout. This boat is wrapped in shark gray paint. As we enter the boat, we've got a powder coated black T-top, a hard top that matches, a huge casting deck if you like to fish, good hookups for your trolling motor, you have forward live well in the front, got plenty of bow seating. As we walk on through, you have your perfectly placed head compartment, windshield, like I said, tons of room for fishing, seating, you got bow rails, we got 2 rear live wells here in the back, bait bucket, 2 more seats, comfortable seats in the back, rear boarding ladder as well. Look at that helm, what a great helm. Put whatever electronics you'd like. This boat is loaded with 250 horsepower Mercury with digital throttle and shift. Tons of space, tons of storage, lots of room for your fishing rods. If we take a look over here, got our master technician working on a new owner's boat. Great craftsmanship from all of our boats from the point of sale to after the sale when we start adding electronics and live wells. This is our 226 Cayman from Robalo. Come see us.